Hi, we have to draw the diagram for tube open at both ends. So we have to consider again 6 centimeter length of the tube. So we have to fix on one line 6 centimeter, then draw height of 6 centimeter on both side. So this is one tube. Again you go for another tube of the same height 6 centimeter. You have to draw on both side 6 centimeter. Again 6 centimeter, fixing the perpendicular to the horizontal line. So these are the three tubes. Now in the first mode of operation, antinodes are found at the end here. So node will be forming in the middle here. So this is the position of node here. Antinode. Open end will be always antinode. So two ends are open, therefore two antinodes means in the middle there is node. We have to join this by a curved loop to form a loop. So this loop will be completed. So this is antinode to node again and node to antinode. So this is fundamental frequency or first harmonic. In second mode, one loop is increased now. Now we have to take distances of 1.5 centimeter. Means here this is node, and again here antinodes, and here nodes 1.5 centimeter. So these are the positions of antinode, and this will be node, and these are the positions of antinodes both side. Then node antinode alternative produce here. So here the position of antinode. We have to join this by curve, node antinode to node, and node to antinode, and antinode to node, and again node to antinode, and again reverse side here to complete the loop. This is antinode, node, then antinode, then come to node, then antinode here. So nodes are there and antinodes are there. This is second mode of vibration, and here it is second harmonic for tube open at both ends. Now for third harmonic, we have to consider the lengths of 1 centimeter. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is there. So these are the antinodes. Then here this will be middle node. Then at these positions antinodes are there, antinodes, and here node. Then these positions are antinodes, and this is node, and here the endpoints are again antinodes. So we have to complete the loop. So node to antinode to node to antinode, again to node, then antinode, then node, then antinode, antinode to node, node to antinode, and antinode to node, node to antinode, antinode to node, and again antinode here. So here this will be the third mode of vibration of air column open at both ends. This is third frequency. This is first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic. So the tube open at both ends vibrates with all harmonic. Follow the diagram.